Shut up and sit down.
What's up guys? Gaming Monster X CK PC here, and today I am going to show you how to build a monster PC for a super affordable price. Have you been having trouble with your computer lately? Is your laptop just not cutting it anymore, or is your desktop not up to snuff? Well, look no further. I have found the greatest high-quality PC parts from around the internet. These are some of the highest grade pieces for the lowest price. And today I'm going to show you how to put it all together. So are you ready to build one of the highest performance budget PCs ever? Me too. Let's kick it into gear. Welcome back guys. I got all my PC parts here. We're gonna go down to my workstation. I'm gonna open them all up and show you what each piece does and where they go. Whoa! I bet you thought I was gonna drop them right there. No, I pay special attention to taking care of all my stuff. It all costs a lot of money, and yeah, I know what I'm doing. Oh my gosh. Oh, I hope nothing's broken. All right. It's okay. We got this. Oh my gosh. No. No, are you okay? What are you doing? I got no. You're fine. No. Oh my gosh. Oh, my high quality pieces. What am I gonna do? This has been CK. I don't remember. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh no. Tune in next week as I